y'all, this is Kiki on a self-care pair, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we are going to the store. I gotta pick up some things that I need to cook. I'm wearing all white jeans, my sad chain, bracelets behind me. Yeah, I'll sweat it out. So, I'll be right back when we actually in the store. I'm gonna show you what we get. Okay, guys. I just got finished sweeping. I couldn't get that part because it's on my other phone. It's not allowing me to send what I did from here. So we just gonna get the finished part. So I've swept. Now I'm putting everything back. Y'all can watch me put everything back. Vacuum cleaner, but I got pretty much everything back. Okay. If you like to see more at home videos or come cleaning day with me, this was just a soft cleaning day. Y'all see it. It was a soft cleaning day and I'm tired. I'm about to relax. I'm about to edit some work, post some content, and I'm chilling today, y'all. I'm tired. I'm about tired. So yeah, if you like to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.